If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. Today we're looking at JASMY that actually has been looking pretty good for the past few days, but I think that's the end of the pump for JASMY right now, because bringing in the RSI at the moment, we can see that the RSI looks a little bit overbought right now. Especially you do have a little bit of a small room to maybe go back up to 88 level, but you're not guaranteed that one either. Sometimes they just like to sell it right at this line. So if I do bring this resistance line on the RSI right there, you are at the place where it's a good idea to sell your coin and take some profits, because one touch here, nearly second touch, nearly a touch there, one touch on this line went down, one touch on that line went down, and now you're finally touching that line once again. So based on the RSI, really overbought. Based on the Bollinger Bands as well right now over here, that looks really overbought. You're at the highest band, and that's not a good idea to buy, but it's always a good idea to sell something or short something potentially. Now, number two, you are making a little bit of an evening star right there. Yesterday we were down at 42 something, and I told you that it's probably looking to go up to 44. Got a little bit overextended to the 46 right now, and this is where the main sell-off is starting to continue. However, if you try to break above 4741 and hold the 4741, try to move sideways and hold it, then there could be chances of coming back up to this untapped liquidity of 53 and potentially even 64 right over there. But I don't think we're moving any higher. I think this is going to be the end of the pump right there. We had this symmetrical triangle that didn't break down but actually broke to the upside. We actually broke down and make a fake out here. This is known as a classical textbook fake out right there. Make a fake out, back test things, boom. Actually, that's the reason why I always say wait for the retest. You see, you broke down like this, came for the retest and passed the retest, and then from there shoot to the upside. But now you do have an evening star, so be very careful right there. Point of invalidation for the evening star is going to be 4741. This could be an amazing shorting opportunity for JASMY. And that's pretty much it for this update. Want to learn more? Do check out the trading course that I have for you. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.